So here's our bike. It's well packaged with foam all the way around. Alright, as I've unpackaged the bike, some of the things I see right off the bat is some really good high quality welding. The bike is all metal, solid, and so we're going to get the pedals all installed and get it charged up. Alright, I'm going to bring the steering wheel up. It just locks into place very easily. You have your pedals to install. It comes with a really nice metal tool to do it. It is tagged with right and left right on the stents here, so we'll get this put on the bike and take it out and test it. So I got the pedals on now. To get the bike out of the bottom, you have to loosen up this nut here so you can put the seat back on. We'll set it and lock it down. Now I'll get the tires inflated. Alright, these tires say they need 35 to 45 psi, so I'll go ahead and get my pump all set up here. The controls of the bike are really easy, so of course we have our fun little bell. To turn on the electrical, you just push in this button here and it comes on. I can actually feel it kind of kick into gear a little bit. To make it go, you just hit this button right here, and the bike works really smoothly. Alright, the bike says it has a 200-pound limit. I'm exactly 200 pounds. To use the electric, you just have to turn on this button here to turn it on, but we can go ahead, just take it out for a ride. The disc brakes on the bike work really well. Alright, just to show you how small and compact this bike is, I have my Honda Civic here. I'll get the bike out. I'll bring my seat up to the height I want. Lock it into place, bring my handlebars up, lock them down, I'm actually ready to ride. This bike has 3 different modes. You can either pedal it, you can go full electric, or you can do what they call an assist. So if you're at a dead stop, it'll start helping you get going, or if you're going up a hill or something like that. So right now I'm just going to be in all pedal mode. The bike pedals very smoothly, it handles well. I like the small compact size of it. The disc brakes stop really well. I'm going to go ahead and turn on the motor, which is here on the left side. Once that's on, if I just pedal lightly, it starts to go quite rapidly. If I want to go into full electric, I push the button on the right-hand side, and then I can kind of go ahead and go full electric, and I don't have to pedal anymore. The bike handles really well. It's a lot of fun to drive, and like it.